President-elect Donald Trump made immigration enforcement a centerpiece of his campaign.
What about the pledge to deport millions and millions of undocumented immigrants?
What we are going to do is get the people that are criminal and have criminal records, gang members, drug dealers. We have a lot of these people, probably 2 million, it could even be 3 million. We're getting them out of our country or we're going to incarcerate. But we're getting them out of our country. They're here illegally.
Meantime, Tucson City Council members want no part of immigration enforcement. They fear it'll aggravate crime by making people here illegally afraid to report crimes. 9 News Side's Craig Smith is live at the council meeting with more. Craig.
Well, we expect the City Council tonight to pass a resolution basically saying the city is not going to be involved in any fashion in any sort of federal immigration enforcement. In a news conference just a short time ago, Mayor Rothschild and Councilmember Regina Romero said that they are hearing a lot of fear from the community about issues like mass deportation, and this resolution basically will promise that none of that will happen with the city of Tucson's help. Now, I did ask the mayor whether he fears the city will end up in a resource sapping dispute with the Trump administration.
I'm not at this time, and let me tell you why. First of all, there is nothing pending. If something comes to pass, that's going to take a long period of time to go through Congress. We will be watching that diligently as we watch everything diligently. If in fact there is something which is unconstitutional in what occurs, then that's one of the things that has made this country great, which is we do have access to the courts. And so at this point, not at all.
Now, the mayor says that this resolution will reinforce things that have really been longstanding City of Tucson policy for a couple of years now. Well, number one, the city will not be involved in any form of mass deportation. It will not assist in any sort of federal immigration enforcement. It will not ask people their immigration status, and it also will not transport people to federal authorities so they can enforce federal immigration law. Now, the mayor does reject the idea that Tucson should be defined as a sanctuary city. He says there's really no legal definition of what that is, and the term sanctuary city is used to inflame people on both sides of the issue. People who reject that idea, don't want any sort of assistance for illegal immigration, or people who do want Tucson to be welcoming to an immigrant community. Reporting live at Tucson City Hall, Craig Smith, KGUN 9 on your side.